Hey there! 2026 is officially here, and let me tell you something. The biggest opportunity of our time isn't just using AI, it's helping others use AI. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a programmer. All you need is the right 8 AI skills. Right now, there are only 2 types of people in the world, those who are using AI and those who are about to be replaced by them. Sound scary? Maybe. But here's the exciting part. You can be on the winning side, because the biggest opportunity today isn't just using AI, it's knowing how to use it better than 90% of people around you. And no, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need a tech degree, and you definitely don't need years of experience. All you need is the right 8 AI skills. In this video, I'm going to break them down in the simplest way possible, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can start today. Let's get into it. Skill 1, prompt engineering. Let's start with the most important skill, prompt engineering. Now, don't let the name confuse you. This is not technical at all. It's simply the way you talk to AI. Think of AI like a super smart assistant, but one that only understands exactly what you say. If your instructions are vague, the results will be average, but if your instructions are clear, specific, and detailed, the results can be incredible. For example, instead of saying, write something about business, you say, act as a startup mentor and write a simple 100-word guide for beginners starting an online business. See the difference? That one small change can completely transform the output. A simple framework you can use is RTCO, role, task, context, output. Once you master this, you unlock the true power of AI tools like ChatGPT for writing, image tools for visuals, and video tools for content. This one skill alone can put you ahead of most beginners. Skill 2, AI agents. Now, let's talk about something really powerful, AI agents. Imagine having a digital assistant, not just answering questions, but actually doing work for you. That's what AI agents are. They don't just respond, they think, plan, and take action. For example, you can give an AI agent a task like research the best business ideas in 2026 and create a report, and it will break the task into steps, gather information, and deliver results, almost like a real employee. This is where things move from AI as a tool to AI as a worker. Tools like LangChain, CrewAI, or OpenAI's Agent Kit help you create these smart assistants. Skill 3, workflow automation. Next is workflow automation, and honestly, this is where life starts getting easier. This is all about connecting your apps so things happen automatically. Think about all the small, repetitive tasks you do daily, replying to emails, organizing data, sending files. Now imagine all of that happening without you touching anything. For example, you receive an email, AI reads it, creates a response, and sends it back. Or someone fills a form, their data goes into a sheet, and you get notified instantly. This is not the future. This is happening right now. Once you set this up, you save time, reduce stress, and become way more productive. Zapier, Make.com, and N8N are the best tools to make this happen. Skill 4, AI coding assistants. Now here's something that surprises most beginners. You don't need to know coding anymore to build things, because AI coding assistants can do it for you. These tools can write code, fix errors, and even explain things step by step in simple language. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you, guiding you 24/7. Want to build a website? Want to fix a bug? Want to learn coding slowly? AI helps you do all of it faster and easier. This is one of the fastest ways to level up your skills, even if you're starting from zero. Tools like Cursor, Windsurf, and Cloud Code are beginner-friendly and make coding a breeze. Skill 5, vibe coding. Now, let's talk about something fun, vibe coding. This is where things get really exciting. You simply describe what you want, and AI builds it. Yes, literally. You can say, I want a simple website to sell digital products with a login system and payment option, and AI can generate the structure, design, and even functionality. No coding, no technical headaches. This opens the door for anyone to create apps, websites, and online businesses. This is where ideas turn into real products fast.
Tools like Replit, Lovable, Emergent, and AI Studio make this easy and super fast. Skill 6. AI SEO, or AEO. Now let's talk about visibility, because creating something is one thing, but getting people to find it is another. Earlier, people searched on Google. Now people are asking AI, and this changes everything. This is where AI engine optimization comes in. Your goal is simple. When someone asks AI a question, your content or product should be part of the answer. For example, best online course for beginners. Imagine AI recommending your course. That's powerful. To do this, your content needs to be clear, helpful, and structured in a way AI understands. This is the new version of SEO, and it's only getting bigger. Skill 7. AI content generation. Now, this is where things get really exciting, especially if you want to create videos, posts, or even build a personal brand. Think about this. Earlier, creating one piece of content could take hours, writing the script, recording voice, editing video. Now, one simple idea can turn into a full script, a natural voiceover, and even a complete video in minutes. Tools like OpusClip help you turn long videos into viral shorts, ElevenLabs creates realistic human-like voiceovers, and HeyGen lets you generate videos with AI avatars, no camera needed. This means you can create more content, stay consistent, and grow faster than ever before. Now, finally, let's talk about Skill 8. LLM observability most beginners ignore, but it's very important. Tracking your AI. If AI is it saving time? Is it making mistakes? Is it actually useful? This is where monitoring comes in, and efficiency. Because using AI blindly is risky, but using it smartly gives you a real advantage. This is how professionals use AI, not just for fun, but for real results. Tools like HeyGen, Weights and Biases, Arise AI, and LangFuse help you track AI performance, monitor costs, catch errors, and ensure everything runs smoothly and reliably.
All right, let's quickly wrap this up. We started with prompt engineering, learning how to talk to AI the right way using tools like ChatGPT. Then we explored AI agents, your digital teammates that can plan and execute tasks using tools like LangChain and CrewAI. After that, workflow automation, connecting apps with tools like Zapier and Make to save time and effort. We moved into AI coding assistance, where tools like Cursor and Windsurf help you build and fix code faster. Then came vibe coding, where platforms like Replit let you create apps just by describing your idea. Next was AI SEO, helping your content get discovered using tools like Surfer SEO and WriteSonic. Then we covered AI content generation, where tools like ElevenLabs and HeyGen help you create content at scale. And finally, AI monitoring, tracking performance with tools like HeyGen and Weights and Biases. Now here's the key. You don't need to master everything at once. Start with one skill, practice daily, and build step by step. The tools are ready. The opportunity is massive. The only question is, are you ready to take action?